Hey, welcome. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic today is car flipping, the role of photography in selling flip cars. Number one, photos are the most important part of your advertising. This gives the visual effect to your buyers. Number two, you need to have exterior photos of the side, front, and back of the car. Also interior photos of the dash, seats, everything, and any highlights on the vehicle. And don't forget about the motor. Number three, you should have a really good cell phone or camera with high resolution. Number four, make sure the car is immaculate. Give it a really good detail job inside and out. Number five, have your name, phone number, and contact information on every photo. Make it tasteful, put a little badge on there. Number six, have a really good background for every car you take a photo of. This is mandatory for every flip car you sell. Number seven, leave out the imperfections in the photos. Yes, they're going to come out and they're going to see them, but let's face it, this is a used car. Number eight, be creative. Put a banner on your photo, like you're the wholesale guy, right on the top. And keep this consistent again, so they get used to who you are in your advertising. Click on the links below for our ebooks, courses, and merchandise at masteroffinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Instagram, and like us on Facebook at Carvelli Master of Finance. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about these great videos, and check out carvelli.foundation for some great causes. It's time you get the help you deserve today. Much love. God bless.